Guangdong SAKO New Energy Company Limited is the professional manufacturer engaged in research, development, sale, and service of high-quality power and solar products. SAKO main products cover solar inverter, solar panel, lithium-ion battery pack, and storage solar system. As SAKO produce key components of solar system by itself, it has advantage on cost control and quality control. Customer can do one-stop shopping and get warranty for the whole system from SAKO. Both SAKO Company and its products are qualified for export. SAKO has obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OHAS 18001, TUV, CE, CB, CQC certificates. SAKO products are very popular because of their stable quality, competitive price, and good service. 95% of SAKO products are export business. SAKO have more than 20 agents in overseas market like Middle East, South Africa, Asia, etc. You can get SAKO products and related service easily from SAKO agent. You are welcome to be a SAKO agent in your region. We also welcome OEM/ODM orders. Whether selecting current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our team about your requirements. Based on its rich experience, strong R&D, strict quality control systems, the spirit of creation, Trust SAKO can offer you satisfied products and service.